Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the display name showing on your Booking account. So you want to head over to booking.com, sign into your account, and once you're in, click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to My Account. Now under this section, scroll down and go to Personal Details. You can find it under Manage Account. Click on that and you want to ensure that you're under the Personal Details section here. Now you want to look for the display name and click on Edit towards the right, and from here you can type whatever it is. So if you're using an account for, let's say, business, or you're using it for your personal use or brand or whatever it is, and you want to do it, in my case, let's say I want the display name to say Drew Tutorial, for example, I can type that in and click on Save. And that's going to show the display name on the top here. As you can see at the top, it shows it, and that's how it will basically show. If I want to say, for example, Drew, as an example, I can do that, and it will also show up on my account as well. So guys, this is how you can change the display name on your Booking account. As I said before, this is a display name shown. If you want to change that, for example, on your name, you can also do so as well. But that's it guys, very easy and very simple how to change a display name on booking.com.